Hey guys, do you know where the washroom is?
No.
Yeah, no? I know this place is huge.
Well, you're gonna find it on the food court area.
Oh, in the food court area? How far down is that? Do you think?
Just...
Please hurry. Just, okay. Thanks. Oh, God, no. Oh, no. Oh, God, it's happening.
Excuse me? I'm looking for a bathroom. I'm gonna shit my pants.
Okay.
Hurry, please.
Yeah. Over there. Look that building.
How far?
About 1 minute. Look, that
1 minute. I can do that, thanks. Okay, thanks.
Where did you can just fit it?
Oh God, my ass is gonna explode.
Do you guys know where there's a washroom nearby?
In super popular.
In the suite? Oh, I was in there and they wouldn't let me use it because I wasn't a buying customer. Go in the back?
Right to the back.
Okay, thank you.
You guys gotta help me. I'm literally gonna shit my pants. Do you know where the washrooms are?
Over there.
Like how far?
Like that building right there.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
Okay, you think I can make it?
Right.
Fuck, okay, thanks.
God. Excuse me. Oh. God. Why today? Oh. Jeez.
Ooh, ah. Oh my God, it's coming out.
I was holding back. Honestly, I was looking for the camera. I was like, what? No way. I heard it was too consistent. I was like,
No, we got caught.
Yeah, it was my pooter.
yeah. Taking my hat.
It's going on YouTube or what?
If you guys are cool with that.
It's whatever.
Okay, cool. You guys are hilarious.